Hi, I'm Jonathan Green, Vice President, Managing Director of the Mobile and Social Team at RGA. We're all enabled by the freedom that our mobile devices provide, but still limited by the need to keep things powered up. While wireless power has been around for a little while, we're finally poised for the market to be commercialized. Instead of simply building technology, Chargifi has focused their attention on designing a beautiful consumer experience. When I met the team and saw their passion, I knew they were onto something that will have substantial implications for our everyday lives. It is my pleasure to introduce the CEO of Chargifi, Dan Bladen.
Good morning. The biggest problem with mobile devices today is not speed, nor is it connectivity. It's power, staying charged. In 2012, my wife and I went traveling for 6 months, and we spent a ton of time going from local coffee shops to different bars. And after a while, we realized that we made very strategic decisions about the places we visited because of the availability of power sockets, so we could plug in, get back connected, and charge with friends and family back home. Now, if I was telling you a story about traveling in 2006, we would have had a connection problem. Wi-Fi wasn't available to the same extent it is today. No, in 2012, we had a power problem, simply staying charged. Since the iPhone 1, processing speeds have increased by 5,000%, but battery capacity has only increased by 33%. And it's something that you don't need to go traveling around the world for a few months just to experience. It's a question that each and every one of us ask ourselves each and every day. Where is my next charge coming from? So, what if this wasn't the case? What if we could untether ourselves from the wall and stop weighing ourselves down with battery packs and power cords? What if we could have power flowing to our devices in the same way that Wi-Fi does today? My name's Dan, and I'm the founder and CEO of Chargifi, and we're doing for power what Wi-Fi has done for connectivity, moving towards a truly mobile society. So, what does a world without cables look like? Well, in the future, mobile devices will come with wireless charging receivers built in. Coffee shops won't be littered with cables, and airport bathrooms won't be surrounded by people crouching down to charge their device before a flight. No, you'll simply place your phone on a table and power will naturally flow to it. And with Chargifi, this future is closer than you think. Today we've developed the wireless charging key that you can plug into any mobile phone and get free access to wireless power. Device makers are now starting to integrate this technology into their devices, and Intel is a great example of this. They have already publicly stated that they're going to be eliminating every cable and cord by 2016. The industry is starting to accelerate, and we are on the leading edge of this acceleration. We use a technology called magnetic resonance, backed by Qualcomm and Intel, where we can safely transfer power through a magnetic field. And in fact, this is very similar to the way you charge your electric toothbrush at home. We install network charging transmitters called Chargifi spots into existing furniture in public places, enabling people to get power when and where they need it. We believe that power is more crucial than connectivity. It's the first step. If you can influence how and when people get access to power, you've the chance to influence the rest of their journey. Therefore, Chargifi is the next level of experience for public places, driving foot traffic and enhancing customer experiences in an entirely new way. We've been developing this solution for the last 20 months, and this morning, I'm delighted to announce that we're going to be installing in multiple 5-star hotels in Dubai. We're partnering with 2 of the UK's largest coffee chains, Cafe Nero and Pret a Manger, and we have plans well underway to launch 50 bars right here in New York City. With the average coffee shop in the US having 200,000 people through its doors each and every year, we are land grabbing and adding as many Chargifi nodes and users to our network as possible. We've already generated $450,000 of licensing revenue through our patent-pending technology in 8 markets around the world, giving us a strong international presence from day one. The wireless charging market is growing at an explosive rate, As you can see here, up to 2020, it will be $20 billion. And with the recent merger of 2 of the 3 wireless charging standards that have been announced, this is set to accelerate even faster. To serve this huge market, we have built a networked platform for power, enabling people to get power when and when they need it, but also allowing venues to benefit from this network infrastructure. You see, Chargifi makes wireless charging smart. We can take any networking transmitter and provide our software platform on top of it, enabling venues to benefit from this network infrastructure, talk to a user's device, and provide them with free mobile ordering and payments as well. So they can order items like coffee, croissants, right there to their Chargifi table. Venues can now take control of this power infrastructure and communicate to their customers in real time. No one else is providing a tangible ROI for providing venues with power, linking power to consumers. No one else is doing this. No one else is providing a tangible ROI for bringing power to consumers. Our software layer adds promotional marketing, mobile ordering and payments, user data, and meaningful analytics, which is already proving to be a great value proposition for venues all over the world. Our team have deep advertising and marketing backgrounds, as we know that it's crucial to execute this technology to the consumer in the best possible way. We're looking for partners to join us as we put power back into the hands of billions of consumers all over the world. If you're running a little dry later, come and Chargify your phone at our tables after the presentations, and we look forward to seeing you then. Thank you so much for your time.